Hi, I'm Teacher Al. Today I'm going to talk about sports. Are you ready? Let's play! The first sport that I'm going to talk about is football, the most popular sport in the world. It is played between two teams of 11, and the team who scores the most goals wins the game. Basketball is a game that is played with a ball and a hoop. Two teams of 5 players try to score points by shooting the ball through the hoop. Yes! Basketball was invented in the United States in 1891. That's probably why they're one of the best basketball teams in the world. If you like jumping and hitting the ball, volleyball is the perfect sport for you. Just like football and basketball, it's a team sport in which two teams of 6 players who are separated by a net try to ground the ball in the other team's court. Table tennis or ping pong is a game that is played between 2 or 4 players. To play table tennis, you need a table, a net, a paddle, and a ball. And if you want to win, you should hit the ball in a way that your opponent can't return it. And last but not least, my favorite sport, swimming. Swimming makes your muscles strong and keeps your heart and lungs healthy. It also relaxes your body and reduces your stress. There are 4 main styles of swimming: freestyle, backstroke, breaststroke, and butterfly. Now it's your turn to tell me about your favorite sports, and if you want to learn more, you can watch these 2 videos. Bye!